What's up people, welcome to another vlog. So again I am at the car mall and I am gonna show you one of my favorite car. This video is just to give you a brief detail about Mercedes CLA 200. This one is petrol variant that I am reviewing in this video. So without taking your much time, let's get started. But before this guys, make sure that you have subscribed my channel, and if any of you have any query related to the car or anything, you can directly contact the car mall. I will mention their contact number in the description. So without taking your much time, let's get started. So this is the car that we have. This is Mercedes CLA 200. In this car the company have introduced some 3 different or 4 variants. The variants were petrol, diesel, style, sports, and there is one more which is 45 AMG variant, which is a kind of sports variant. But this is not at all a sports variant, this is just a normal variant, and this is a petrol variant. Let me quickly show you the key of the car. Here is the key of the car which helps you to unlock, lock, and to open the boot of the car as usual. So this is the front view of the car. If we are talking about the year, this is 2016 model, which is first owner car, petrol variant, and is only 46,500 kilometers driven. In this video you can see the condition of the car. The car is in mint condition, and there are some few things that I like the most about this car, just like the panoramic sunroof, the frameless doors that Mercedes have offered in this car. This is the basic starting series of the Mercedes. This is the all condition. So coming to the front profile of the car, you will get the front, you will get LED DRLs, Mercedes Benz, and projector headlamps on the right, and on the left as well there is some space for the number plate. Coming to again side profile of the car, you will also get headlamp washer. This is 18 inches of alloy wheel, sorry, this is 17 inches of alloy wheel, which is 245 by 45 inches, having brake caliper black. This is silver color that I am showing. On the center of the wheel you will get Mercedes branding or Mercedes logo, just like this. This is the roof that we have in this car, the shark fin antenna. Let me just unlock the car. So this is the thing that I love the most about this car, that this car have frameless doors. I really loved it. So here we have some memory seats. You can see these are the memory seat functions, and we have 3 memory different seats, and this is automatically adjustable seats, not automatically, basically manually adjustable seats. This is the interior of the car. On the rear as well we will get frameless doors just like this. If we'll show you one more thing, which is the kind of exciting thing in this car. This is only 46,500 kilometers driven. This is the rear view of the car. All rear LED tail lamps. These are the exhaust, a chrome finishing on the downside on the rear bumper. This is the towing hook. Coming to the side profile of the car, this is the side profile. Here we have the place to insert the key. From here we can insert the key, and just like by rotating the key we can start the car, turn on the car. So this is it. This is insured till 3rd of October 2021. This is first owner car and is in mint condition. The asking price of this car is 20.9 lakh rupees. If any of you is interested in buying this car, or they want to take a test drive, they can directly come to the car mall anytime, and the price is bit negotiable. If you are like that the price, you don't want to go with that price, then you can talk to the car mall and negotiate according to you. So it's just like that. Let's get inside of the car from the left side. So this is the interior of the car. So we have 3 different kind of AC vents, just like in Mercedes. Many of you are asking maybe that where is the gear. It doesn't have gear here, it is automatic transmission. Will show you where the gear is. At first I was like that where is the gear, but now I get to know that where is the gear. This is the sun visors. There is no light, vanity mirror, but there is no light here. Now let's how it looks like. Nice sitting in this car. It's a kind of coupe style. It's not exactly a coupe car, but yes, it's a kind of coupe style car, because the side boundaries or the rear door side of the car looks like that you are sitting or you're driving a coupe car. So it's just like that. Let me just quickly show you the sunroof of the car. Let's just insert the key here. Now the car is in ignition. There is one more thing, you can increase the space by just doing according to your requirement. Okay, let's just open the roof. It's just like this. It has a wide sunroof. Okay, there is one more thing guys. If it's a kind of hack we can say. If you don't want this here, you can just press like this. Now it will get opened. So you can say or you can assume that how it looks like, how the car looks like when the sunroof is open. It really looks amazing, and the style of this car is just like a coupe. So let's just go from here. Okay, it's a kind of useless thing. Let's leave this. Okay, so in the seats we have some here we can say a kind of a sporty thing in the seat. We have a hole or we have a space. Let's just quickly get inside the car. Actually I just want to drive this car, but I have to ask Shivam Bhaiya for this, and he's not at showroom right now. Let's leave this. Okay, so this is the front instrument cluster, and the instrument cluster let me just show you how we can go to that menu. Okay, so here we have the gear which indicates reverse, parking, neutral. The car is in parking right now. If you have to switch it from parking, you just have to press this button. We have paddle shifters as well on the right and minus on the left. This is a control. Let's just quickly turn close this roof. We'll do it later. Look, some space to put your stuff. Cup holders, and for the menu, ready for Bluetooth telephony. Okay, so where it have handbrake? Here's the handbrake of the car. From here you can put the handbrake. The steering wheel is tilt and telescopic. You can adjust according to your requirement. So I think I have covered each and everything. Now just a minute, I have to just turn back the roof. Okay, so this is about the car. Now let's go to the rear seat to check the comfort or check the space. You can also open the boot from here as well if you want. Let's go to the rear seat. It's a kind of something which is we can say थोड़ा सा डर लगता है. I personally felt this कि हाँ, if you are opening the door तो आपको थोड़ा सा डर लगे. अच्छा, if you are talking about the rear seat, तो as I am 6 feet tall and जो आगे वाली सीट ड्राइवर सीट वो मेरे height के according से adjust, and I can sit properly here as well. You can see the space. The space is little bit less if you are 6 feet tall and you want to go somewhere and you all are 6 feet tall, so it might quite difficult for you to sit and to travel. So this is the space that we get at the rear seat. So I don't think so this car is made for me to sit on the rear seat. I prefer to drive the car rather than sitting behind the car. Okay, so this is the space that we get. This is that we get. So it's kind of less spacious. Let's just get out of the car. There is one more thing in this car. The company offers a Harman Kardon music system, which is seriously mind-boggling, you can say. So I think we have covered each and everything about the car. Just okay. So basically, this is, again, let me tell you each and everything. This is Mercedes C-Class 200D CDI, October 2016 model is this. This is 43,500 kilometers driven on petrol, first owner car, and which is insured up to 3rd of October 2021. And the asking price of this car is 20.9 lakh rupees. If any of you is interested in buying this car, they can directly contact the car. Not even for this car, if they want any of the car from the stocks that they have, just like they have Swift, Kwid, WRV, Innova, Amaze, it's Honda City, yes, it's a latest generation Honda City, Hyundai i20, Rapid, Audi, I think that is A3 if I'm not wrong. Okay, yes. So Desire, Creta and Verna, these are their stocks right now. And even they have Audi Q7, they have BMW X3, I think, which is parked outside the showroom. So I think we are done with this. If any of you is interested, just hit the subscribe button or let me know that yes, I have to make videos for you guys for used cars and for new cars as well. And if any of you is interested, you can visit the car mall and contact them. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like this. Bye bye.